Selam dostlar. Bugün biz Minimit деген oyununu oynayımız. Robotқа koyayım, elden ağam koyayım. Osman koyup koyayım.
Welcome to Officer Candidate School, Cadet. Sarge, I thought you were dead. I ain't got time to be dead. You're looking mighty green, soldier. So let's start with the basics. Have a look around with the aiming control. Good job, Cadet. Time for some weapons training. Pick up weapons with the action button. Well done. Tap the ammo display to switch weapons.
Bukan dia oyun bikin begini.
Now touch the target to zoom. Ready for a live fire drill, Cadet? Pull the aiming control outward to fire. Stay in the center to aim. Fire at will, Cadet. Not bad. Now try some targets. Try throwing a few grenades. Ah, I love the smell of explosions in the morning. Time to see what you're made of, Cadet.
Tak, este ugraya.
Meet Mechadoodle. The soldier of the future. A perfect fighting machine. Think you can destroy this one, Cadet?
Disassembly.
What is your major malfunction, robot?
Destroy. Destroy.
Is that the best you got, Bolt-Face? I've seen more nuts on a toaster oven. Ugh, get over here, Cadet. Use the melee button. Thanks, Cadet. Let's move. We gotta find that AWOL robot. You'll need to use your rocket boots. Jump by pushing up on the movement control. Hold the jump to engage thrust.
Ninde şu an?
You got it, Cadet. See you back at the base, soldier.
Ottuk bani. O bu ne oldu?
Lock and load, Cadet.
Olsun ya.
Mechadoodle has control of all robot units. Stick with me. This could be ugly. Want to see?
Video olmasa like kanalımızı basınca kanalıma tıklayın. Cada concordo com o Lima da Boa, conta do Mas está başlasаңыздар бұл сіз істей алмағанда видеоны лайктарыңызды басыңыздар, арнама тіркеліңіздер. Мен болсам видеоны аяқтаймын.